Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you a very easy soft mink tutorial which is very easy to do. So let's get started. I did my eyebrows on off camera. If you wanna see how I did it, then you can watch my previous tutorial. Now as my eye primer, I'm applying LA Girl Pro Concealer and blending it well. I hope you all will enjoy this tutorial. If you liked it, then don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And also you can press the bell icon to get the notifications as well. For my first eyeshadow, I took this light brown shade as my transition shade and applying it all over my crease line. Then I took this mint shade from same palette and applying it on my eyelid. This shade is so much pigmented and I'm using my finger by pressing it well. Look how pigmented it is. Now I took this light brown shade again and blending it with the mint shades on outer portion of the eyes. Now I took this light golden shade and applying it on mid portions between two shades. As my eyeliner, I'm using Lakme Eyeliner and line my eyes very gently. I don't like to draw dramatic lines, I always try to keep it simple. For my base makeup, at first I'm applying L'Oreal Infallible Primer and it is a silicone based primer. As my foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation in a shade 103 Natural Buff, which is one of my favorite foundation. I'm applying it all over my face and blending it well by using a wet sponge. Now I'm applying this LA Girl Pro Concealer again, and this is a very good concealer for any type of skin and it is well blendable. I give all the details information about the products that I used here on my description box below. Please don't forget to check it. Now I'm setting my face by using Probase press powder. I'm applying it all over my face. Then I'm bronzing up my skin with the Sunkissed Bronze Architect Face Palette. As my blush, I'm using this shade from same palette. Now I'm going to use these highlights. Eyes and brow bones. Now go back to eye makeup. I took this dark ashy shade from same Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette and applying it on my lower lash lines. Now I'm coating up my upper and lower lash with Technic Epic Lash Mascara. I used this several times because I don't like to wear false lashes always, and this mascara gives a voluminous look on my lash. As my lipstick, I'm using here Stila Stay All. It is a very warm shade. Okay, here is my final look. This is a very easy tutorial, though it is simple, but it is absolutely gorgeous. And it is a wearable look, I think, and not much complicated. You can try it at your home. I'll come with again another tutorial. Till then, take care. And thanks for watching.